Atongeria bari toba University ya Meru ne bedire toba gechumeria ekere onto keyoringi bakura arabedire toba kyuria kya makembisi kedroge kebanga ne mebango ya ora muri tomba kuringira kura bare skuru ire bakothomera
that bearing in mind the students contribute to almost 10% of the registered votes. It is interest of the comrades to be looked upon because we cannot miss to vote because we are in session. Consider that during election date the students will have to travel to their polling stations to vote. This will have some negative impacts on them. One, there is physiological and fatigue due to long distance traveling. Many students may fail to raise necessary funds to travel to their respective polling station. In so doing, they will miss out the chance to exercise their constitutional right. That it poses a great danger to their lives, considering the fact that after a month of the election, even remains unknown as we hope for peace. These are the recommendations as students. That considering that the election consists of only 2 candidates, there is no reason at all for comrades not to exercise their constitutional rights, bearing that our system is electronic. Therefore, we don't see why students should travel to all their homes to vote. Because the same candidate who will be voted in Turkana is the same candidate the students can vote here. This is a presidential election. It's only 2 candidates. The same paper will be used in Turkana or in Meru. We have diaspora. People in diaspora, they vote. So the same way, they should come up with a complementary system for the students to vote here. This matter is very serious, and we are calling upon the IEBC to look upon to our issues.
Arito baba ine bedire toba kejana ntuko mugwanja kiri kya makembisi kedro kibachokeria machokyo. Arabedire toba kiuga kwedro atuba kedro bakiandamana.
We want to give the chairman of the commission and his team 7 days to respond to this letter. Failure to which we will call for demonstration all over the country. This is an issue concerning all universities. It's not an issue of Meru University. It's only that we came up with the idea to represent the other students. Still, it's not about the commission. The Fred Matiang'i, Cabinet Minister for Education, kindly look up into this matter. This issue is very serious. It's an issue concerning safety and the security of the students. You cannot tell me the students will vote or will not vote because of 1 or 2 issues. Kindly, Fred Matiang'i also look into that matter.
Nyabadi the system. Ora tukomba kuringira kuma ke school siatoka na university sietu. Leo tuko na tukufuatilia na kinyapia Fred Matiang'i, our cabinet secretary of education, kinyawe achunguze matuja kenda aritobe be in peace kana be a very conducive kana madogano jaoje mostly on maukuja kana matujara bakodoma. Na kinyato duga atwa abafulache bukati ntuko mugwanja a respond kana au ya something ko etekanira na barua ye yatutwa mutumira
miromba ari toba bane koria IBC yedide mebango engani gutigera ne bakuringira kura gonto kunda kuraba kuthomera kuma Meru University ngiri potara Meru TV beta Frank Munene.